We'll guide you through how to sign up and make a Telegram account. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Telegram is a messaging app that's really taken off in the last few years. So first of all, you need to go and download the app. You can get that from the Play Store or the App Store. Then all you want to do is go and click on Start Messaging, like so. And now what you need to do is go and confirm your country code. It's already got mine selected, but you can go and choose yours if it hasn't. And what you can then do is go and type in your number. Now what's going to happen is an activation code will be sent, as you can see, and then what you need to do is go and type it in. After you've typed it in, it's going to go and verify it. And now what we can do is go and start filling in our name, and we can add a profile photo. So in this case, I'll type mine in now. And at the top, you can click on the camera and you can open up your gallery, or you could take a photo now. You don't have to add one though. And by signing up, you agree to the terms of service. It's fine with me. I've already read them. And that's it. You've now signed up to Telegram. What you can do is go to the bottom left and click on contacts. And there you can see who of your contacts have Telegram and you can message within. And you can also go and click on settings in the bottom right, and you can go in your profile and go through other settings as well. If you found this useful, then leave a like.